Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter at AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release on the small cap space every morning at the open, so you hopefully profit from them. Maybe find your next great small cap investments. Monday, April the 16th. I've got 3 press releases for you, but before we get to that, today's show is brought to you by Golden Hope Mines. They're our monthly sponsor of this show. Golden Hope Mines, GNH on the TSX Venture Exchange. Go do your own due diligence, but here's a little info to help you out. The company is owners of the Belchast, is operating in the Belchast Gold Belt, where a 43101 is pending. That's in Quebec. They've got a dominant land position there in southeastern Quebec. Recent results, 6,140 grams ton of gold over 1 meter. And just the other day, they announced that they drilled massive sulfides at Champagne, including 11.7 meters of 1.23 grams ton of gold and 8.1 meters of 1.15 grams ton of gold. So thanks to GNH for being our sponsors. Let's get to the show. First up, Pele Mountain Resources trades on the Venture Exchange under the stock symbol GEM, G-E-M. Gotta love that symbol. For our friends in the U.S., Gold F, G-O-L-D-F. They're announcing an updated preliminary economic assessment. This on their Echo Ridge Mine rare earths and uranium project. Here are the highlights, big numbers, and the stock looks like it's going to open big. It just did open up 30%. $2.16 billion pre-tax cash flow, $1 billion net present value. 85% of the project's revenue is going to come from heavy rare earths, neodymium, and uranium, to say the least. The company says this preliminary economic assessment demonstrates that Echo Ridge has excellent potential to become a profitable producer of rare earths and uranium. Now, those are the company's words. They're the 100% owners of Echo Ridge. It's located in Elliott Lake, so the company's definitely trumpeting that it's a safe, secure place to do work. At one time, I didn't know this, Elliott Lake actually supplied 35% of the world's yttrium. They close on Friday at 11 cents. Right now, 14.5 cents on 161,000 shares, up 32%. That's in the first 45 seconds of trading. So obviously the market likes this news, and why not, especially when we take a look at this 52-week trading range. 10.5 cents is its low, is at 11 cents on Friday, and now it's definitely rebounded strongly. 34.5, in case you're wondering, is a 52-week high. Next up, Fortuna Silver Mines, NYSE FSM, on the big board TSX FVI. They're reporting record silver production, about 950,000 ounces, and in addition to that, just over 5,000 ounces of gold. This for the first quarter 2012. These are results from the 2 operating mines in Latin America. The company says both mines are performing above planned production levels. They're also on schedule to deliver 3.7 million ounces of silver and 17,400 ounces of gold. In addition to that, some significant base metal byproduct in 2012. So do the math of 3.7 million ounces of silver and 17,500 ounces of gold. I also like this, that in their production highlights significant sequential improvements, because this is Q1 2012. Their silver production is up 4.3% over Q4. Gold production up 23.5% over Q4. Lead is up 1.1% over Q4. Now, their zinc production was down 6.5%. So not perfect, but Fortuna this morning is trading flat at about 410 right now on 14,000 shares. So not a big reaction out of this. 412 is where they close on Friday. 386 is their low. 758 is their high. And finally, First Point Minerals, TSX Venture Exchange, FPX. They reported a 1.2 billion ton inferred mineral resource, grading 1.113% recoverable nickel. This is an independent NI 43101. We always like these because the company puts the money where their mouth is. This from their Decker nickel alloy project in central British Columbia. That project is actually managed and operated by Cliffs Natural Resources Canada, which, as you can imagine, is an affiliate subsidiary of the big company Cliffs Natural Resources that trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Total pounds, this comes in, looks like, at about 2,981,000,000 pounds. So let's call it 3 billion pounds of nickel. Close on Friday, 61 cents, $1.06 is their high, 39 cents is their low. And this morning, First Point up 4%. 4 cents, that's 6.5% on 20,500 shares. So a nice reaction to this news as well. As always, quality over quantity, 3 press releases for you. But we never put any filler in here because we just want to get you the best news coming out of the junior space. If you're looking for more great small cap resource news and you watch this on Globe Investor, then look below me or to the left of me to see the companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, Get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have an amazing day. See you tomorrow.